All right, guys, so this is just an explanation over the 10 vocabulary words that we have for this week. We're just going to go one at a time here. We'll start with the first word, pressuring. Pressuring is the feeling of stressful urgency caused by the necessity of doing or achieving something, especially with limited time. What that means is if you need to get something done, you need to get something done quickly, then you would have a pressuring feeling. So an example might be this guy is feeling pressuring emotions to meet deadlines for his job. The second word is employed. If somebody's employed, what that means is that they're given work and they'll be paid to do it. So this guy's employed to work for this business. The third word is miraculous. And when we use the word miraculous, the most popular definition is that something happens that can't be explained by science. And so, for example, somebody is in a wheelchair and all of a sudden, for whatever reason, they are miraculously able to walk again. And so that would be an example of what this word miraculous means. The fourth word is impaired. If somebody has something physically that's impaired, it means that some element of their body or their mind is weakened or damaged. So if somebody's in a wheelchair, or if maybe somebody can't hear or can't see, that those are impairments, okay? And so if somebody is impaired, that this is what that definition means. The next word is submitted. Submitted just means that something is being presented for presentation. So you could submit your homework, maybe you submit a project for a competition or a paper. Okay, these are just some examples of what submitted means. Urgent is your sixth word. And urgent, if something is urgent, it means that it requires immediate action or attention. Okay, so this means that it can't wait. It has to be done, and it has to be done now. Your seventh word is void. If something is void, it just means that it's completely empty. And so any space or any room, anything that has nothing in it, we could say that that is void. Word number 8 is tendency. Tendency means if somebody has a tendency to act a certain way, it means that they have an inclination. What that means is that most of the time, somebody will act or do certain things. So these people, if we were to see them in real life, we might say that they have a tendency to be happy. Word number 9 is tension. Tension means that there's a strain between two groups or two people. So you can see in this picture that these two teams playing handball have a lot of tension between the two of them. And the last word, your 10th word for this week, is innovation. Anything that's new, a new method, idea, product, or anything else, if it's brand new, it's never been seen before, we would call this some form of innovation. Innovation can be seen in medical fields, education. People can innovate in their sports, anything that's new. So these are your 10 words for this week.